two unboxings to share with you today. I'm very excited to share that with you, and they are from Gucci, so let's get started. So this one, I'll start with this one, which is obviously a pair of shoes, and this is a pair of footwear that I've been wanting for a while. I couldn't decide on a color, and now that it's summer, it's really a good time to really wear it. It's really, I think it's more appropriate during the summer and spring because it's more for that warm season kind of, you know, thing to wear. So anyway, here it is, nicely wrapped with a nice bow tie. Well, tie, should I say? Velvety tie. And we have, so I know, for those who don't know, well, it comes with like a couple of gift cards, pair cards in various languages. This is the product code for those who are interested. I hope that focuses. It does. Okay. And it comes normally with two dust bags for each left and right foot. Very nice and silky. Very pretty. To reveal my Princeton, pair of Princeton. So this color, I believe, might be new this year. It's light pink, and it looks more like a khaki or nude beigey, but it has a bit of a pink hue to it at certain lights or certain. If you were to put this next to a pair of pink shoes, you can see a little bit. It's very subtle, which I like about it. So it can pretty much go match with anything because it is more of a beigey pink or a khaki pink. So here are the beautiful Princetons in the light pink color. Of course, these are classics and they're comfortable. This is probably my fourth pair of Gucci shoes I have already owned, and I'm excited about it because I know Gucci is one of the designer brands that's known for really comfortable footwear. Not too many are comfortable. You know, you're just paying for the actual brand as opposed to comfort, where with Gucci, you know, you get comfort and style, and yeah. So here it is, and this is the classic the bricks, horse bit, I think it is, sorry. So here is that. I'm not sure how it's translating on camera, but to me right now it's very khaki, but there's a little bit of a hint of very, very, very subtle pink. But it's a great color. I mean, I think you can pretty much, if you want to, wear it all year round, but I don't know, wouldn't want to wear it in the snow. But yeah, so here they are. Oh, and one more thing. These, I don't know, Gucci shoes tend to run small for me, smaller than my usual size. I'm actually a 7.5, and I had to go up half a size to 8, which is the 38s. But the only one that actually ran big were the Ace sneakers, and I think that's well known that you either have to either order a size, one whole size down, or a half a size down, depending on, you know, the width of your feet. But yeah, so I'm very happy to wear these, and now I can wear them because I unboxed it already. I just wanted to do that before I wore them. And next is the a handbag, this huge bag. So tie it. goodness. Get it out of the box. Okay, so here is, oh wow, that's kind of cool because it looks like a bigger version of the shoebox. It's kind of funny. Okay, so here it is. Lovely tie again. Nice touch. It's actually velvety. No, it's actually, where's one? I think it's kind of cute. Okay. So, alright, here we are. The box is always like 10 times bigger than the actual item, but I'm not complaining. Tissue. And here is the dust bag, inside of which is my okay. Let's see here. As you can probably tell already from the size, it is a Marmont in the nude pink color. Let's go ahead and take this stuff out. Let me just make sure it looks good. I get a chance to actually see it in store. Okay, so this is, let me get the receipt. This is the small matelassé size. Comes in various colors, black, red, nude pink. And the summer colors, there's a couple of ones, but not in the zipper size. They have the actual color from Marmont. So this is called oh, I'm sorry. Let's see. I think this is the small matelassé. I don't think I'm saying that right. Okay, that's not going to really help me. Anyway, so this is actually the small size, and then there's a size smaller than this one called the mini, and then there's another one, the third size, I think it's just the matelassé Marmont. But this actually is the medium size, even though it's called mini, because the mini is really, it's about this size smaller. So even though this is small, this is actually the medium, since this comes in 3 sizes, if you know what I mean. So it comes a nice chain here, and it has so one part of it is the chain, and I'm sorry, I'm sweating as I'm taping this because it is day 3 of a heat wave in New York. It's about 93 degrees right now, and if you live in New York or in the Northeast or East Coast, you know it gets very hot. Not only hot, but humid, so it's like a double whammy, and my goodness. Okay, so let's go ahead and try to get this out before I melt. Oh, okay, finally, here we go. So this comes with an adjustable strap, which is great. The mini one, the really mini one, does come with an adjustable strap, but this one does, so it's actually good for those who are doing this. Sorry. So it has like a little upper area like this, strap, and I'm just size it accordingly. Okay, anyway, so inside is one inner pocket, with an inner pocket with a little other pocket in there. Alright, so here we are. Anything else to say? I will put the prices on the screen for those who are interested. And yeah, so it looks very nice. I mean, gold hardware, obviously. And we have the Gigi logo in the front. And the Gigi stitching in the back. Combo that. So yeah, so that is it. Thank you for taking time out to watch my unboxing. And yeah, remember to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!